Welcome to Easy Site for You. Upgraded version of Shopify powered by CFM. First, you need to register and log in. A store name is needed while registering. Log in with the account you created. Go to the selection. Select the products you would like to launch, and add them to your product library. Go to the Classify, and edit the product category. And you can change the category name, and cover image of the category. Go to the commodity. Edit the product information. You can edit the title, reset the product category and edit the tag description. Set up the price and adjust the selling price. You can set up the price based on the profit rate, or the product quantity. Type in the quantity range, and set up different prices for different quantity ranges. Edit the product description and specification. And you can change the name of the product, edit the description, on, specification, product template and video. Launch the product. Go to Store and customize the homepage of your website. Click the setting and you can edit each block. There are two ways to get a domain. Once you register on our website, you can get a second-level domain. If you need a new and custom domain, you can first resolve the domain name according to the instruction, and then email to our team. Go to the setting. You set up the basic information of your store, payment method and terms of use. Your e-commerce store is ready now. Your customers can register, log in, and place orders on your e-commerce store.